Okay, I'm here outside St. Lawrence Market. We were just inside doing our food crawl for my main channel, Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C. So this is my first time actually buying, I think, something from
Eve's Temptation.
So what sold me was the tiramisu. They have two types, Classico or the mousse, tiramisu mousse cake. I'm like, let's try them both and compare and see what's the difference. If I could open this box up without breaking my fork. So cute. They're so cute. And we have lots of pigeons around me, so I'm going to be protective of my tiramisu. Alright, this is the Classico, and this is the mousse one. Let's try the mousse one first, because I've always had the classic tiramisu. Alright, I'm gonna take my bite. That's how it looks. It's so good. It's a mousse with tiramisu flavors. It's very good. Just as good as the classic. But I want to show you how it looks. Didn't get it out. Get it out of the box. Looks amazing. So I'm not going to eat it all. I'm just tasting it. I'm going to take the rest home and enjoy it with a cup of tea. I'm a tea drinker, but I love coffee flavor. It's good. Take your bite. Yum. So yummy. It's pretty much like a coffee cake. Okay. So, I like it, but it's not what I expected it to be. Because it's not moussey enough. Let's say, you know, like, I've had mousse cakes, and they're usually a lot of mousse in it, if that makes any sense. Anyway, we're gonna try the classic tiramisu. Look how cute it is. Look how cute it is. Look how cute it is. Okay. This feels more like a mousse cake. Take your bite. Looks amazing. Waiting for their time to fly down and take it. So good. Yeah, so if you're visiting Toronto, or if you live in Toronto and you haven't been to St. Lawrence Market, come on down. There's so many choices. From veal sandwiches to pierogies to Japanese to seafood, pasta, and the classic pea meal back bacon sandwiches. And then you got your desserts. There's many bakeries in here, so not just Eva's, but this is from
Correction.
Eve's
Eve's
Temptation.
Temptation.
There you go, take your bite. Yum, yum, yum.
Hey, thanks for watching. Just to let you know, I have 4 channels all together. All my content coincides with each other, so be sure to check out my channels so you can see the continuation of each presentation or live streams. My main channel is Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C. The next channel is Multitask with Lizzo C. Food channel is What's Cooking with Lizzo C. There I do food reviews. I will live stream at home, some baking live streams. Check that out. And my latest one is Explore, Discover, Capture Day and Night Trips. So check them all out. Stay connected. And thanks for watching.